Central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina until 9 p.m. At 8:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clarendon, or 8 miles southwest of Whiteville, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
I don't want to type out titles that are like that long for hashtags, but
Bethel, Lake Wakaba, Paulsboro, Nautina, Redbug, Old Dog.
Guess it's not
has
going on there.
resonated with a lot of people.
Community College, Clarendon, Williams, Crusoe Island, Brunswick, Boise and Columbus Regional Healthcare System. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Might not be county activated, so. Alright.